how to double the profit in your cleaning business so you can take more time off for your family and your friends. A little bit about my story. A lot of you know my story, but in a nutshell, I majored in advertising and I wanted to start a cleaning company. And so, in my senior year in college, I actually started a cleaning company. Now, here's a few things that I don't always talk about. When I first got started, I didn't have any problem getting business. What I had a problem with is actually kind of honestly making a profit and dealing with employees and systemizing my business to where it would run without me. But yes, early on, making a profit was a concern. My first year in business, I worked my butt off, made a huge investment, and I profited $15,000, got scared, and changed things real quick. And here are the things that I changed. First and foremost, I knew that I wanted to take a lot of time off. That was one of my main reasons for starting a company. And early on, I took 6-7 weeks of vacation off so that I could go to Disney World, go to the mountains, do things that I wanted to do for fun and not just be a slave to my business. And here's what I learned quickly about making profit, because profit's really the main thing to concentrate on in any business. You need to increase your job ticket size. You need to increase your number of clients coming back. You need to get a better online presence. And you really need to spend a lot of time targeting better clients. That was one of the big things that hit me hard. Getting the better clients was really the only place I should be spending my money on. And for some of you, yes, even for me at the time, new in business, it's a good idea to concentrate on booking more jobs, but not just more jobs. More jobs may not make you any more profit. In fact, it could make you less profit, right? So these are the things that I've been concentrating on. And recently, you've heard me talk about a Mastermind program that I've just been launching. Some of you have heard about the Mastermind. Now, it's not for everybody. I've kind of privately contacted about 100 of my best clients and figured out who really wants to be in it. I'm not even accepting everybody. So this video is not really necessarily about that, but just to tell you about profiting. That's really the main thing. You need to concentrate on profiting. And then the other thing too is thinking about even a coaching program, or we do have availability in our ad coaching club. You need somebody with you that's prompting you to market better, to get your business systemized better. Who is that person? Because if you don't have that person, can you get there? Somebody actually made a post on one of the big cleaning Facebook groups and said, well, what free help can I get? Because I don't want to spend money. And actually not free. They were asking for cheap. But the thing is, free or cheap may get you where you need to go eventually, but it's going to take you a whole lot more time. Do you want your business to be successful now, or do you want it to be successful in 5 years or 10 years? Really? So these are the things that you really need to be concentrating on. Increasing those clients coming back, getting a better online presence, increasing your job ticket size, and targeting better clients. When you do all these, you'll book more jobs, but you'll get more profit. And here's the other thing that I'm going to suggest. You'll have a better brand for a more sellable business and be able to charge a lot higher prices naturally when you do all of these things well. I sent out an email when I first started talking about my mastermind about just a couple of case studies. And I think it's really good to concentrate and think about some of these case studies because really it helped me when I first started my business to know what other cleaners were doing, right? One of my clients recently did a text campaign, doubled his business. Many of my other clients that have done Google Ads campaigns have built their business where they couldn't before, with area rug cleaning especially, hardwood floor, that type of thing. Courtney Lee, great case example for concentrating on profiting and growing his business. Now, I'm not going to take all credit. I've helped Courtney a little bit here and there, but I'm not going to take all credit by any stretch of the imagination for Courtney's success. But I love to mention this because he's talking about last year he did $321,000 with 2 vans the whole year. This year, by the end of October, he'd already done $324,000, and he still had 2 more months to go. Again, I've helped him out a little bit with Google Ads and stuff like that, but it's really about concentrating on, in a big way, profiting and what's going to make you the most profit, what you're going to really enjoy doing more, and what you're going to do to grow your business. Several other clients that have really concentrated where before they weren't ranking on Google, got ranked on Google, and went in and showed up number one, showed up for their clients that were searching for them on Google, other clients that have done well with Google Ads. This is a client I helped out with Google Ads where she couldn't really have any success with Google Ads or really anything for marketing area rug cleaning because they were a carpet cleaning company before. We went in and helped them with Google Ads with ranking. And of course, other clients that I've helped through the winter getting booked when times were tough, times were slow, different letters that we've got with that. But you really need, if it's not me, if it's not the ad club, if it's not what I do, you really need somebody coaching you. You really need somebody helping you along the way. Can you do it on your own? Yeah, you can actually, but I give that a big but. It's going to take you longer. It's going to be a lot harder. Why not learn from somebody who's already done it? That's really it. So if you have questions, let me know. You can reply to this email. Also, too, I'll put the direct slide up for the ad club link down below this video. We've got some great extra bonuses for Black Friday and for the month of November going on right now. Let me know what you guys need help with. That's what I'm here for. Thanks.